Hey guys, it's Christina. How's it going? Well, I feel like I need to get more videos up again. I've just been really struggling to be consistent, but I'm trying my best. But anyway, I wanted to get up a video before Halloween to just show you a few quick Halloween looks that you could wear to school. Yeah, so if you want to see those, then please keep watching. Okay, look number one is a lumberjack. And so I thought, okay, you could wear pretty much any plaid or flannel shirt and then a beanie or something. I had a black beanie that would have been perfect, but I don't know where it went. So, and then I just have some jeans on and some black combat boots that I thought would be really cute with this. So, yep, this is look number one, the lumberjack. Look number two is a nerd. I'm gonna take these off for a second because I have my contacts in, but I thought for this look, I would wear a button-up shirt all the way up, and then it's a sweater or cardigan or something, and then I have some loafers on, put my hair in pigtails, and then I put some black tape on my glasses. So pretty fun little look and easy. So okay, this is my 70s inspired look, like a hippie type of a look. So I just got these new pants, so I thought they worked out perfectly for this because they're super flared. I also have this vest, which I thought was perfect. I used to have a bunch of really cool headbands, but I just got rid of them when I moved. So I used this little scarf and tied it up in my hair. And then, I don't know, I just threw them around a necklace. And I found this shirt in my closet, which I thought worked out really well. So this is my 70s inspired look, so. Okay, so my next look is a Scarecrow. So all I did was just put on some jeans. I'd probably just wear some boots with it. I just have bare feet right now. But, and a plaid or flannel shirt. I just put my hair into 2 braids, and then the makeup was pretty easy actually. I didn't want to make it too hard, so just so it was really simple and fast. So I just put on some lipstick. I put on some blush, a lot right there. And then I just used an eyeliner and put some here with some lines, and then underneath my eyes too. So thought it turned out pretty good. So this is the Scarecrow look. So by the way, if you have a hat that would also look really cute. I mean, I have a beach hat where I had this. I don't know how good it looks, but some kind of a hat, if you had a straw hat, around your house, that would be really fun too. So anyway, okay, the final look for this video is a skeleton. I'm sure it looked just beautiful, but I decided to wear just all black. And then I just painted my face white, so it was really pale. And then I did a line going this way, colored in my nose, and put some black eyeshadow around my eyes. So I try to make it pretty simple. I know there's a lot of intricate ones you could do, but the theme of this video is just quick and easy. So I feel this isn't too hard to do, I'm hoping. So anyway, skeleton is the final look. All right, well, those were 5 quick and easy costume ideas. I hope that it helps you if you're looking for some last minute ideas that you can just throw together, different things around the house. So anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you so much for watching.